A moderate magnitude 3.8 earthquake hit Montenegro around noon of Sunday, May 11, 2025 at 1:46 p.m. local time, GMT+2. The quake had a very shallow depth of 4.5 kilometers, 2.8 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, VolcanoDiscovery after 1 minute. The earthquake occurred 13 weeks after a magnitude 4.0 earthquake had hit on Tuesday, February 11, 2025, at 7:43 p.m. local time. Europe, Sarajevo GMT+2. In 50 kilometers, 31 miles, distance to the southwest. Data source from VolcanoDiscovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.